Hey yo, you don't know Sir Michael Palmer. And it's all about this big sound named Platinum. I'm gonna big up man like Ronnie Biggs, man like Cali Rankin. I'm gonna big up the US. I'm gonna big up all I massive saying. Damn a dead sound. Lord of Moses. Lord of Moses. Oh yeah. Down in Platinum Town, some idiots on want to test the sound. But Platinum are the talk of the town. The idiot sound gonna test the sound, cause them a dead sound. Platinum come from murder sound. Whoa yo, them a dead sound. This the sound come for killer sound. Oh yes. Tell a sound boy, them no response to that. Think Ronnie Biggs, them a idiot. But Cali Rankin put to stop it to death. Cause Platinum song ain't no aristocrat, and them a dead sound. Platinum come from murder sound. Whoa yo, them a dead sound. Them a dead sound. Them a dead sound. Oh Lord of Moses. Alright. Whoa yes, Lord of Moses. Hey, watch this. In Platinum community, respect is due to it. But idiots don't have the courtesy. That's why them tackle it, and them a dead sound. Platinum come from murder sound. Whoa yo, them a dead sound. Them a dead sound. Them a dead sound. Oh Lord of Moses. Oh Lord of Moses. Oh yes. Down in Platinum Town, some idiots some want to test the sound. But Platinum are the talk of the town. The idiot sound gonna test the sound, cause them a dead sound. Platinum come from murder sound. Whoa yo, them a dead sound. Them a dead sound. Them a dead sound. Oh Lord of Moses. Oh Lord of Moses. Oh yes. Whoa yes. Lord of Moses. Whoa yeah. Full of poses. Whoa yeah.